Are you looking for the best hand mixers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best hand mixers that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Braun HM5100 MultiMix hand mixer. If you are looking for a mixer that is versatile and easy to use, then the Braun HM5100 MultiMix hand mixer certainly fits the bill. To begin with, the mixer comes with 6 different attachments designed for various mixing tasks. These include 2 sets of dough hooks, whisks and beaters. Besides, the package includes a pouch where you can keep all these attachments. In terms of speed, power and performance, the Braun HM5100 hand mixer is simply incomparable. Firstly, it has one of the most powerful motors, with an output of 350 watts. This wattage is 50% more powerful than what other mixers can deliver. Thanks to its smart mix technology and vertical motor design, mixing has never been easier. The motor design shifts the weight of the mixer into the bowl, thus reducing arm fatigue. In addition, this Braun hand mixer has 9 speed functions, each tailored for specific mixing tasks. So, if you want to mix cake batter or knead cookie dough, you can always rest assured that this mixer will deliver beyond your expectations. To ensure its efficiency, the unit comes with a one-touch Vario control speed dial that you can use to adjust the speed gradually while mixing your content. The speed dial also prevents splatter when mixing the ingredients. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Hamilton Beach ErgoMix Ergonomic Hand Mixer Whipping Cream. Beating eggs and mixing oats using a hand mixer might seem like an easy job. However, nothing could be further from the truth. You have to contend with wrist and arm fatigue, depending on the density of the ingredients you are trying to mix. Nevertheless, with the emergence of the Hamilton Beach 6-speed Ergo hand mixer, you can say goodbye to wrist and arm fatigue. This mixer is undeniably the best ergonomic hand mixer that money can buy. Moreover, it only weighs 2.98 pounds, making it one of the lightest and easy-to-use handheld mixers available in the market today. But that's not all. The mixer features 6 speed options, and its lowest speed is slower than many other mixers. These adjustable speed options go a long way to reduce mess and splatter when mixing different ingredients in a bowl. The only downside is that this hand mixer does not have dough hooks, meaning that you won't be able to knead bread. Nevertheless, this is not a major concern to people who don't bake bread regularly. At number 3, we have the Krups GN492851 hand mixer. Wouldn't it be great if you could whip and knead your batter or dough without having to put up with the noise of your handheld mixer? Well, the Krups 10-speed digital hand mixer offers you a chance to enjoy quieter days in the kitchen. After all, this mixer from Krups is one of the most silent kitchen appliances in the market today. What's more amazing is that its silence does not compromise on its performance. The mixer offers 10 speed functions that you can operate with a simple slide. Besides, they all have turbo boost buttons that come in handy when adjusting power. Now, here is the best part. This Krups hand mixer also features several attachments designed for different mixing jobs. These include 2 beaters, 2 dough hooks, and a single whisk. All these attachments are silicone coated to ensure that they don't make noise when beating or whipping against the bowl. If you want to keep track of how long you've been mixing, then you can always rely on this unit to give you the exact figures. The mixer comes with a count-up timer coupled with a pause function that will help you time your mixing activities. Like most hand mixers in our reviews, this unit comes with a snap-on storage case that will certainly prove useful when it comes to storing attachments and accessories. At number 2, we have the Cuisinart HM90S Plus 9-speed handheld mixer. Cuisinart is a household name, thanks to its numerous impressive features that you need for a thorough mixing job. Considering this, it's not surprising that the Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus is one of our favorite hand mixers. From beating oats to whipping cream, the mixer boasts of a 220-watt motor that can handle any type of mixing job with relative ease. Furthermore, the motor has a simple on-off switch that you can use to start and stop the mixing process. What is even more impressive is that the mixer comes with up to 9 speed functions, designed for a wide range of mixing tasks. The first 3 options are low start speed functions that prevent your mixture from splattering. Moreover, the one-touch speed button allows you to select your preferred speed among the 9 options, depending on what you are mixing. It also comes with an automatic feedback feature that alerts you when the mixture is ready. Foodies will love the fact that this mixer features a recipe book, which you may use to prepare ingredients for your favorite pastries and dishes. It doesn't get any better than this. And finally, at number 1, we have the Oster FPSTM015NP 5-speed hand mixer. If you are sick and tired of using heavy hand mixers, then it's high time you considered the Oster 5-speed retractable cord hand mixer. For starters, the Oster 5-speed hand mixer is one of the lightest in its class, given that it only weighs 2.15 pounds. Moreover, it has a compact design that helps in reducing arm and wrist fatigue. The unit also features a dominant 250-watt motor that can whip, whisk and beat your dough, creams and batters seamlessly, regardless of the density of the mixture. So what makes it unique? The mixer comes with 5 speed options, and you can increase the speed gradually at the touch of a button. The different speed functions come in handy to cater for the various textures required for making frostings, creams, and batters, among many others. To top it off, this hand mixer features a retractable cord that makes it portable and easy to use. It also has its very own snap-on storage case where you can store attachments easily and conveniently. Considering all these amazing features, can you really afford not to buy this hand mixer? Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.